Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catoura, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Today's video is a different one. I've decided that 2019, I am going to venture out into different avenues and try new things. And I figured out this is the year. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone and I'm going to actually vlog. So I tried vlogging using my iPhone, but that just didn't work. And then I tried vlogging using this heavy DSLR camera, and that didn't work. So I realized it was time to buy the Canon G7X camera and do this thing. I am so excited. This is the first #1 legit vlog of the year. When I do film vlog style YouTube videos, it seems to perform better, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Today is Sunday, and Sunday the 20th. Ooh.
Hair is like everywhere. Jeez. My hair and my dog's hair, just everywhere. Ugh.
So I'm about to leave this parking lot and head out to Sprouts and see if I can maybe pick up some fruits and veggies, because I already went grocery shopping. What I usually do is I grocery shop for 2 weeks. I meal prep, meal plan, freeze, and all that stuff. So everything's kind of like done. I'm just gonna go pick up some fruits and veggies, things that, you know, you can't really freeze. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy. So I just got back from Sprouts and I was going to film it, but it was a little awkward and there was just too many people running around, so I just kind of did not do that. But I did pick up some fruits and veggies for tonight's dish, and we're having, tonight I'm making vegetable soup using my handy dandy Instant Pot. I washed all of my veggies and I'm about to peel them, get them ready for the soup. This is actually my first time making this type of soup. I don't think I've ever made a vegetable soup in an Instant Pot before, so I'm kind of excited to see how this will turn out. So I have everything chopped up, ready to go. It said to add everything except for the beans, the kidney beans, and the green beans. So I'm leaving that here, and we're about to add them into our Instant Pot. So the soup is ready, and look at it. Oh my gosh, look at all the veggies. This looks so good. It smells delicious.
Okay, you ready? Paw, give me paw. Paw. Good boy.
Happy Monday. It is MLK Day today, and I have the day off, so I figured let me drive out and hang out with my parents because I haven't seen them in a hot second. It's like the drive to my parents' house is so freaking long, like so long. I'm here at my parents' house because my mom is going to show me how to make one of my favorite Persian dishes. It's a little tedious and kind of tricky to make, and she's gonna show me how to do it, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hopefully she won't mind me filming it, but we'll see, I don't know. But the dish that we're making today is called dolme, and basically it's grape leaves stuffed with stuff in it. I don't really know what, but it's so good. So it is Tuesday and it's freaking freezing. I don't know if this is like focused, but it's 39 degrees out. I decided to come out and go for a little walk, but I didn't realize it was gonna be this cold, so oh well. Oh my god. So I'm tying my shoe right now, but I just got done with my fitness class and OMG, my hair's so red. That was intense. I burned 554 calories. Wow, that's insane. I'm so out of breath. And it's so cold outside that it feels uncomfortable when you sweat a lot and then you come out of the gym and it's like, like so cold. Anyways, I just saw someone tear up their car. So that's kind of embarrassing, but anyways, bye guys. Happy Thursday, guys. So, I'm wearing my comfy little scarf. It is 41 degrees in Atlanta and it is freezing. But I'm heading out to an event tonight. I actually have two events. The first one is grand opening of a new little restaurant here in Atlanta called City Tap, and then the second event that I'm heading out to is my little birthday shindig that I'm doing with a couple of my coworkers. Hey! Thank God it's Friday. I am actually about to head out to the gym, get my little workout on, and come back home, make some dinner, enjoy chilling on the couch for the rest of the night because it has been a crazy busy week. And yeah, so shaking up my BCAAs right now. The BCAA that I am taking currently is by Excavation, and it's called Extend BCAAs. It supports muscle growth and supports recovery. I notice when I do take BCAAs, it helps with my soreness, so I don't feel as sore the next day. I do know that if I don't take it, I definitely feel super sore the next day. So I'm heading out to my class, and yeah. guys, happy Sunday. I totally forgot to film today. We went to church and we came home and Brian and I legit just started cleaning up the apartment. We started purging like crazy after watching Marie Kondo's tidying up show on Netflix, and we're like, oh my god. So we were just like kind of purging and getting a head start on spring cleaning. So that's what we did today, and I am actually in my closet. I will be doing a closet tour maybe in a couple of weeks. I don't know, we'll see. But I will continue to vlog, and I am not gonna lie, I actually really like the G7X Canon camera. It really makes it so much more easier to take my camera around and show you guys what I do. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye guys.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take